What's up guys, good evening from Malaysia. My name is Winner Singh. I hope you have a fantastic day. We both, me and my Japanese friend, are on the way to find some awesomely street food in Malaysia. Let's see what we will find. We both are actually a food lover, so we need a food every time. Well, we both want to start with some healthy street food and we found Soya Bean shop. They have a cold soya milk and Thai fufa, which is also known as tofu. And we ordered the 2 cups of soya milk, one for each. Well, it's too cold, seems like icy cup. Even they also have the option of takeaway for the soya milk. They put it into the plastic bottle. Well, now let's try the soya milk. Oh yes, it's cold, fresh and healthiest street food. It seems like they are from China or maybe from Japan. Well, it's difficult to guess, they look same. Well, next one is Thai fufa. It's also known as dao hua. It's a Chinese snack made with the very soft tofu and it's also known as tofu pudding. Garnish of honey syrup and black jelly. It's look like a custard to me, but it's actually a Japanese tofu. Well, China has a strong history about the tofu. They have mapo tofu, sticky tofu, steamed tofu and tofu pudding. So they love tofu. It's layer after layer, few layers of Thai fufa, honey syrup and now black jelly. Okay, now let's take the review from my Japanese friend.
Good? Yeah. Oh. This broth thing is a little bit kind of sweet, but not too much. And this thing is tastes almost nothing. It's just soy and hot.
Oh, it's completely melted in my mouth like a blob of jelly. Impressively delicious. Well, we both really enjoyed today's street food of Malaysia. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, press the thumb button and subscribe to my channel for more videos and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification first of my next video. God bless you and your family.